Hi, I'm Cash from Yi Technology. You might know some of our other cameras, but today I want to share with you our latest dash camera, the Yi Mini Dash Cam. The Yi Mini Dash Camera essentially has all the features of the Yi Compact Dash Cam, but fit into an even smaller body. What's even better is the shape of the Yi Mini Dash Cam is designed to fit behind your rear view mirror, so it's our stealthiest camera yet. The Yi Mini Dash Camera features an f2.2 aperture and a 140-degree wide-angle lens that comfortably lets you record 3 lanes in full HD. The vertically adjustable lens also allows you to adjust to the ideal angle, allowing you to capture everything in perfect detail, so you can see the road ahead in perfect clarity. The Yi Mini Dash Camera also features a 2-inch wide-angle touchscreen display and 4 navigation buttons, which make navigation a breeze, and it's very easy to view your recordings and playback right on the device. If you're familiar with other Yi cameras, then you know Yi delivers high quality at a reasonable price, and the Yi Mini Dash Camera is no exception to that rule. The high-end image processor inside the camera will start up within seconds. So as soon as you start driving, the camera will start recording. So it's truly ready the moment you are. Like our other dash cameras, the Yi Mini Dash Camera features emergency collision detection and recording. So with the adjustable 3-axis G sensor, we'll detect when there's a collision and start recording right away. This footage will then be locked and saved on the device, including the moments leading up to it for your security. When you've come to the end of your journey, you can use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi module inside the Yi Mini Dash Camera to connect to your smartphone using the Yi Dash app. Using the app, you can view live recordings and saved recordings from your dash camera, and you can even share memorable journeys with your friends on social media. This is the Yi Mini Dash Camera. If you want to learn more, make sure you go on the official Yi website at www.yitechnology.com.